Hallo Leute, wie geht es? So today's topic is a little different because today's topic is related to TELC exam. So in today's video, we will discuss A2 TELC exam. This video I'm doing because of one of my subscribers' request. So you can also comment me in the comment box that which video you want to see from my side. I'll come up with that particular video. So basically, what are these TELC exams? TELC exam is basically European Language Certificate exam. So in today's video, we'll see what is the exam pattern of A2 TELC. And in next video, we'll see full speaking test, how confidently you can talk there with the examiner and how you can answer the questions from the examiner that we are going to see in next video. So stay tuned. Today we'll see what is the exam pattern of this A2 TELC. So I'll share one screen with you. So you will get to know what is the exam pattern of this TELC A2. This is very much similar to Goethe, but little bit different. So we'll see. Now here, the TELC A2 exam includes a section that can be referred to as language elements or Sprachbaustein, which involves MCQ, that is multiple choice questions, or matching tasks that test grammar and vocabulary. The A2 exam, now this is particularly we are talking about TELC only. The A2 exam is divided into two parts. First one is written exam and an oral exam. The written exam components are reading, as you know, in Goethe also it is a lesen. Reading is lesen, listening is hören, language elements. Those are called as Sprachbausteine. Okay, language element is Sprachbaustein and elements are Bausteine. So it is language components or elements, you can say. This section typically involves gap filling. So it is like fill in the gaps, fill in the blanks, or MCQ, multiple choice questions, focusing on grammar and vocabulary. Now there is this writing that is called a Schreiben, like Goethe. This involves writing a short message or mail. Okay, it will be basic, not so difficult. The oral exam involves tasks such as introducing, okay, introducing yourself and asking and answering questions and planning something together. Now, parts of the TELC A2 speaking test that we are going to see here. Part 1 is introductions, sich vorstellen. This means introduce yourself. Ask and answer basic personal questions. So it won't be very difficult or high level. It will be like on basic level, right? Okay. Now in this, yeah. So very basic questions will be there. Like wie heißen Sie? Meaning what is your name? Usually in German, it is for asking name. You have to ask like wie heißen Sie? Then you can answer like ich heiße so and so, like that. Then woher kommen Sie? Okay, from where do you come from? Wo wohnen Sie? Where do you stay? Was machen Sie beruflich? Beruflich is professionally. So what do you do professionally? Because beruf is profession and beruflich is professionally. Was in your hobbies? What are your hobbies? Now part 2 is asking and answering questions. Fragen stellen und beantworten. Okay, so this is asking and answering questions. Now in this, topics include shopping, food, free time, travel, daily routine. So these are very like basic themes or topics you can say, and day-to-day life activities you can include here, and you can talk regarding those activities, right? So this is the like simple way of A2 exam, TELC exam pattern. So in next video, we'll see the complete full test of A2 TELC speaking module or speaking test. We'll see fully how to answer examiner's questions. So what are the typical question and answer? Those will come in that exam, speaking test particularly, that we are going to see in next video. So stay tuned. Uh, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with these type of videos, exam related videos, and like and share. Thank you and bye bye.